Hamesh, enjoying grandma back? Grandma back. Grandma back? Enjoying grandma back, boy? Grandma back. Grandma back. Hamesh. Yes. Yes, yes. Enjoying grandma back. Go on. Enjoying grandma back. Grandma back? Hamesh, go to sleep. This is how we put him to sleep. We carry him on the back.
Twice.
Hamesh, yes, you're smiling. You're happy. You're going outside.
To the outside.
Hamesh,
Good night.
bye-bye. Bye, Hamesh.
Nighty, nighty.
Bye-bye, Hamesh. Hamesh, you enjoying mommy back? This is how you treat when grandma come around.
That's the treatment you get.
When grandma come around.
When she goes back,
Yeah, families, I just want to make this vlog for you. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Coming to you live from Kenya, guys. So as you know, guys, where we live, there's a lot of dust. So the car is very dusty. And instead of going to the car wash, no, because if you check inside the car, it's very clean. Let me show you. Inside is very clean, and outside is very dirty. The inside is very clean, family. Not the mat used, as you can see, but outside is very dusty. I don't know where this dust come from. There's really no dust inside here. I'm still trying to figure out where this dust. Look at it. All these dust. So guys, from time to time, family, you have to actually, from time to time, instead of making several trips to the car wash when it gets dusty, because most of the time it's dirty is when it gets dusty and I feel like it's want to wash. So you know what I decided to do is just to wipe it every 2-3 days, remove the dust, and when inside get dirty real bad, that's when I will actually, you know what I mean, just take it to the car wash. Yeah, family, so as you can see, Hamesh and his grandmother is there, Miss Jam Tours is there, Belly Big. This is my water family. Yeah?
belly big.
Belly Big. So today, guys, is a Sunday in Kenya. It's like a quiet day. And I guess anywhere you go in the world, family, you'll realize that Sunday is just a quiet day. So I'll start from the top. Right from the top. This will save me a lot of money.
But you know the good thing, the car is not dirty inside, so
Yeah.
and then you take it to the car wash, you can't just tell them to wash the body.
You can just wipe it.
I just better wipe it.
Wipe it out.
Even your neighbor there normally wipes.
Eh?
Even your neighbor there, like where you park next.
I know, it's the other day I was there and I see their wife and I said, oh. The lady come out and wipe.
Yeah,
But when the rain falls, it's so bad.
yeah. Bobo, I'll vlog until it finishes.
Yeah?
I'll hold until it finish.
See it,
I wish I split that water into two.
too much.
No, so that like you'll get some to rinse, so that it won't have those marks.
I'm going to video Hamesh.
Huh? Hamesh is sleeping. He's there. Can see him walking there. But they are far. Will I run? Bubu, your car is singing in Kiswahili, so
Eh?
the car is singing in Kiswahili. Guess what it's saying? It's saying, God, your love is what is ajabu again? Yes, upendo lako. God, your love is so great.
Yeah, fellas, as you know, on a Sunday, is just they'll play gospel music.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a church in this state.
Guy, you're lying. Wait, where normally see people there up? Oh wow. Maybe I'll be going there.
Riff City.
I don't know. Maybe I'll be going there.
Yeah, fellas, as you can see, Hamesh is walking. Pick up the mother down.
Yeah. Guess she's just walking around.
You sleeping now?
Bubu. Eh? Make sure to cut this part. You see that
Stop it, you can pause it.
ham? Hamesh, baby. You don't want to sleep. Because grandma is here. Because your grandmother is here.
Hmm?
Because your grandmother is here, Hamesh. You don't want to sleep. Utatutake brageti.
After him, let's go.
Okay. Hamesh? Ham? Hamesh. Hamesh, baby. Hamesh, baby. Sleep, baba. Sleep. Sleep. Hamesh. You're enjoying granny, not you? Yeah. Hamesh? Hamesh, baby. Today you don't want to sleep. Kama, imagine it's 12. Hamesh? Hamesh! You can't sleep when grandma is around. Eh? Hamesh? Look at how we carry babies in Africa. At the front and at the back, at the side. Anyhow. With the leso. Nada yako gia? Okay.
Happy.
No karie watu. Kwa domoi. Kana urehe giti kia white muikae haha ruhuho-ini. Ira wamba athondeke mai mangi. Aca ti anyue thaa ici. Agamba.
Yeah, family, so I finished wipe. As you can see, car is now sparkling clean. And Hamesh is here with grandma. You hear it, grandma? Yes. You're not sleeping? Eh? You're not sleeping, boy? Hamesh. Hamesh. Da da da. 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 Yes. Yeah, family, so I hope you like this short vlog. It's just a Sunday. Just chilling on that. What kind of tree is this, sweetie? A palm tree? Yeah. We find a lot of these trees in the villages and stuff. Yeah? What is it? Yeah, family, so like, share the video. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, coming to you live from Kenya. Like, share, comment, subscribe. One love. God bless Jamaica. Yeah, family, so in the Sunday evening, me and baby Hamesh chilling. I'm just watching the boys playing football. You watching? Hamesh, you watching? You watching the boys playing ball? Hmm? Hmm? You watching the boys playing ball, Hamesh? Huh? So as you can see, family, the boys playing ball. The boys playing ball. The boys playing ball. Eh? Yeah, family, so like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts about this vlog. It's just a Sunday vlog for you. Sunday vlog.